In this tutorial, I'll show you how to organize Shared with Me in Google Drive. By the end, you'll have a clean, organized way to access files others shared with you, using shortcuts placed into simple folders in your My Drive. First, add shortcuts. Open Shared with Me. On the left side of Google Drive, click Shared with Me to see everything people have shared with you. Find a file or folder you want to keep handy, then right-click it. From the menu, click Add Shortcut to Drive. A location panel opens on the right. Choose a folder in My Drive. If you don't have folders set up yet, choose My Drive for now. You'll sort it in a moment. Click Add. You'll see a confirmation that the shortcut was created. Repeat this for the other files and folders you want quick access to. This step is safe to do because you're not moving or copying the original. You're just placing a shortcut in your drive so you can find it faster. Next, create folders for sorting. Go to My Drive. Click My Drive on the left to open your main drive. At the top left, click New, then Folder. Create simple categories that match how you work, such as clients, school, or work. Type a folder name and click Create. Make as many category folders as you need for the types of shared items you receive. Keeping names short and clear will make it easier to spot the right place later. Now move shortcuts into folders. From My Drive, you'll see the shortcuts you added. Shortcuts have a small arrow on the icon so you can identify them at a glance. Drag each shortcut into the folder where it belongs. Click, hold, and drop it onto the correct folder, and then repeat for the rest. If you prefer, you can open a folder first and then drag shortcuts into the open window. You're only moving shortcuts here, not the original files, so nothing changes for the owner or other collaborators. This is a good way to stay organized without breaking anyone else's structure. At this point, keep Shared with Me clean by relying on your folders. When new items show up in Shared with Me, add a shortcut, then sort it into the right folder in My Drive. Over time, you'll spend less time browsing Shared with Me and more time working from your organized folders. That's it. You've added shortcuts from Shared with Me, created clear folders in My Drive, and dragged your shortcuts into the right places. Your Google Drive is now organized and the setup is complete and working. So for more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.